Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello friends, in the current week we have seen that the Nifty has closed at a level of 15,763 level with a minor weekly loss of 93 points, or in terms of percentage it was a loss of 0.58%. Now here are the few observations for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty purely from a technical perspective. In the current week we have seen that the Nifty was able to manage to sustain near its higher level despite the global market shakeout, which shows that the positive sentiment of the market is intact. On the weekly chart, Nifty has formed an hanging man candle formation and traded in a narrow range, which indicates that the market is continuing its previous range bound move. On the daily chart, the Nifty has once again took a strong support near the 50-day simple moving average, but was not able to sustain above its 20-day simple moving average, which confirms slightly trendlessness nature of the market, at least from the short-term perspective. Daily momentum indicator of Nifty sustaining above the 50 mark, which shows that the bullish momentum for the broader indices is intact. Talking about the support and resistance level, key support level for Nifty is placed at 15,431 and below that at 15,145. While on the higher side, major supply is placed at 15,962, which is the all-time high, and above that at 16,687. Now, what could be the possible strategy or how to trade the market for the next week? Since the larger degree trend is strongly on the positive side, traders are advised to create long position with a strict stop loss placing at 15,431. This stop loss is applicable for existing long position as well as the fresh new long position which might be created in the next week. Now talking about Bank Nifty, on the weekly charts, the Bank Nifty has underperformed Nifty and it has formed an doji candle or indecisive candle formation. And it also was able to sustain above the 20-week simple moving average, which indicates some sort of trendlessness move in this particular index, at least from the short-term perspective. On the daily chart, Bank Nifty has managed to sustain above its 100-day simple moving average throughout the week, which indicates a positive sign for this particular index from a short to medium term perspective. On the daily charts, the daily momentum indicator are sustaining below 50 marks, which shows some amount of lack of momentum, at least from short-term perspective, specifically for Bank Nifty. Talking about support and resistance for Bank Nifty, key support is placed at 33,908 and below that at 31,906, while major supply is placed at 35,985 and above that at 36,497. For the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is JK Tyre Limited. One can go long at current market price, that is at 148, with a stop loss placing at 134, and the upside potential for this counter is at 174. Another stock which seems to be strongly positive is HDFC AMC Limited. One can buy at current market price with a stop loss placing at 2790. This stock has the potential to move up to the mark of 2950. So that's it for the week, friends. If you like our market view as well as our stock speak, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you very much for joining us.